Welcome back to the Digital Asset Report. Crypto markets are steady but cautious this week as the focus shifts back to Washington, where policy, regulation, and earnings are shaping the next phase of digital assets. Bitcoin is hovering around 100K on Thursday as the market watches and ponders the next move. President Trump made headlines in Miami declaring that he wants the United States to become the Bitcoin superpower and the crypto capital of the world. Speaking at the America Business Forum, he said his executive orders have ended the federal government's war on crypto, arguing that digital assets strengthen the dollar and position the U.S. for global leadership. He also warned that China and other rivals could gain ground if America hesitates.
I've also signed historic executive orders to end the federal government's war on crypto. Crypto is under siege. It's not under siege anymore because it's a big industry. It's a big industry, and I have a lot of people that are great people, great business people. They're in other businesses, but they're in crypto too. And it takes a lot of the pressure off the dollar. It does a lot of good things.
His remarks build on growing momentum around the Clarity Act, the market structure bill that would put the CFTC in charge of crypto regulation. Patrick Witt, executive director of the White House Council of Advisors for Digital Assets, told audiences at Ripple's Swell conference that the legislation is full steam ahead despite the ongoing government shutdown. Regulatory change continues at the agency level, too. President Trump has nominated Michael Selig, head of the Crypto Task Force, as the next chair of the CFTC. Selig has been working closely with SEC Chair Paul Atkins to align oversight across agencies. His appointment signals a coordinated push to create consistent rules for digital assets and accelerate institutional adoption across the U.S. markets. And markets are responding to this shift in tone. Analysts at JP Morgan say Bitcoin could reach $170,000 within the next 6 to 12 months as leverage resets and volatility normalizes. The bank's report says deleveraging in perpetual futures is likely behind us, with risk stabilizing after October's record liquidations. They note that Bitcoin now trades at a discount to gold on a volatility-adjusted basis, giving it room to climb heading into 2026. Meanwhile, Ripple announced a $500 million strategic investment round at a $40 billion valuation, backed by Fortress, Citadel Securities, Galaxy Digital, and others. CEO Brad Garlinghouse called 2025 an incredible year as Ripple expands from payments into custody, stablecoins, and treasury services. The company's RLUSD stablecoin has already surpassed a $1 billion market cap. Meanwhile, Robinhood reported crypto revenues up 339% year over year in Q3, reaching $268 million. Executives say they're actively weighing a Bitcoin treasury strategy as the company considers whether to add BTC to its balance sheet. CEO Vlad Tenev also highlighted Robinhood's multi-phase rollout of tokenized stocks, a project that could eventually bridge traditional finance and DeFi. And in enforcement, Samurai Wallet developer Keone Rodriguez was sentenced to 5 years in prison for operating an unlicensed money transmitting business. Prosecutors said the wallet laundered over $237 million, including funds linked to illegal darknet markets. His co-founder is set to be sentenced later this month. Between aggressive policy moves, fresh institutional investment, and renewed market confidence, digital assets remain at the heart of the global financial conversation. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and follow along for more.